Now, the Karnataka High Court lawyer has opposed the withdrawal of the CBI case and inquiry against Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka DK Shivakumar. The senior counsel has written a letter to the CJI, the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, over the state government and the cabinet for withdrawing cases against the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar. It has also sought intervention into the case. So, a lawyer from the Karnataka High Court has essentially opposed the withdrawal of a CBI case and inquiry against Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar. The senior counsel has written a letter to the Chief Justice of India. He's also written to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister over the state government and cabinet for withdrawing the case that was filed against DK Shivakumar. This is a disproportionate assets case against the Deputy Chief Minister. Prajwal is joining us live on the broadcast. Prajwal, tell us more about the case and what this lawyer has opposed.
First and foremost, this case dates back to 2017 when the Central Investigation Agencies, which is the Income Tax Department as well as the Enforcement Directorate, had raided the offices as well as the residence of DK Shivakumar and had found illegal amassed wealth to the tune of 73.4 crore rupees as well. And later in 2019, the then B.S. Yediyurappa's government had handed this over to the CBI as well after taking an approval in the cabinet too. And later this particular case has now been withdrawn recently by the Karnataka cabinet last Thursday, stating that the permission from the speaker was not obtained by the then B.S. Yediyurappa government, which shows that there are several discrepancies while handing it over to the CBI. But what needs to be seen is that last Wednesday as well, this case was pending in front of the Karnataka High Court as well, where the CBI is supposed to go ahead and file a charge sheet with this particular regard, but then it was adjourned to the 29th of November, that being today as well, and the case will be heard. It has been listed as the 8th case for today in the Karnataka High Court too, where a single bench judge is overseeing this entire case as well. So therefore now, as the Karnataka government has gone ahead and withdrawn this case, we are looking at a senior counsel from the Karnataka High Court, Amrutesh, who has written 3 letters, one to the Chief Justice of India, the Prime Minister as well as the Home Minister, seeking their immediate intervention. And he's also gone ahead and alleged arm twisting by the Karnataka government, especially from DK Shivakumar, stating that he's using his power, his position and influence not only to arm twist the government but also to arm twist the ministers as well as the Chief Minister of Karnataka in withdrawing the case too. And this should not be done because there has been years of hard work by the Central Investigation Agencies, and it is the money of the public which is being wasted in terms of this. And irrespective of which the government is, if there is a BJP government which comes in next, then they will be the ones who will again initiate an inquiry. And he stated that this particular case should be taken to the logical conclusion and the Karnataka government should not withdraw the case. And he's also sought the intervention of the Karnataka High Court at this point of time, Nupur.
All right, Prajwal reporting on this from Bengaluru. Thank you very much for joining us. We'll of course have to wait and watch as to how the courts react to this letter.